This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the fular and your clothing. A woven wrap of 3, 6 to 4. 6 meters works best. Find the center marker and place it at your belly button, then create a firm waist anchor by wrapping the fabric around your hips once and knotting behind you. Once done, spread the fabric wide across your front so it's flat and smooth. This gives a stable base. Make sure to keep the fabric tight and even before you bring the baby to your chest. You now bring the baby up high, chest to chest, with knees bent and legs in an ergonomic M position. Take the 2 cross panels and pull them firmly but gently up over the baby's back and shoulders, creating a deep pouch that supports head to knee. Once the panels are snug, spread the fabric from shoulder to shoulder to avoid pressure points. Adjust tension so the baby sits high and close. Make sure the chin is off the chest and airway clear before continuing. You finish by crossing the straps behind your back or bringing them under the baby and tying a secure double knot at your back or side. Once tied, spread the straps over your shoulders for comfort. After finishing, give the wrap a final safety check. Baby's face visible, chin off chest, knees supported. If the wrap loosens, stop and red-tighten from the waist anchor, pull excess fabric through the cross panels, and reposition the baby. Make sure to monitor breathing and adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.